中心に物事が進んでいる時代がございます。コモロ諸島から60時間帰ってきたばかり。私は大陸の存在感を示していくには、やはり歴史的に見ましても、
now surpassed the 1,000 mark. And that is great testing involvement in when it comes to ocean governance. Students more particularly the institute to be able to garner that expertise. Your initiatives refers to our commitments to global ocean, to the United Nations General, an active part of working with the foundation. I think that there are various synergies that we can achieve, especially on ocean governance. Over the past year, not only in our capacity in the presidency of the Council of the European Union, and it encapsulates our vision of the governance system, which I think is very much similar to yours. Thank you very much.
安倍田常務外務大臣、それでは署名をお願いします。常務外務大臣、ご起立お願いします。今いただいた署名とともに記念撮影を行います。ありがとうございます。